Hello students, welcome to CBSE Class 9 Artificial Intelligence, Subject Specific Skills Part B. In this unit, we will explore artificial intelligence reflection, the artificial intelligence project cycle, and ethics. These concepts help us understand how artificial intelligence systems are developed, used, and improved responsibly. In this lesson, we will focus on deployment, the stage where a trained artificial intelligence model is made available for real-world use. Deployment allows people to interact with artificial intelligence solutions through applications, websites, software, and smart devices. Let us begin our learning journey and discover how artificial intelligence moves from development to practical use in everyday life. Topics to be covered. Before we begin, let us take a quick look at the topics we will cover in this lesson. First, we will understand what deployment is and why it is an important stage of the artificial intelligence project cycle. Next, we will learn about the key steps involved in the deployment process and explore different deployment methods used to make artificial intelligence solutions available to users. We will then study the process of deployment in a simple and easy to understand manner. After that, we will discuss some common challenges faced while deploying artificial intelligence models and how these challenges can affect performance and reliability. We will also examine a real-world case study on preventable blindness and see how artificial intelligence can help solve this problem. Finally, we will use an artificial intelligence project cycle mapping template to understand how all the stages of the project cycle work together in developing an effective artificial intelligence solution. So, let us get started and explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence deployment. What is deployment? Now, let us understand what deployment means in artificial intelligence. Imagine that you have built an artificial intelligence model, trained it using data, and tested it to make sure it works correctly. What happens next? The next step is called deployment. Deployment is the process of putting an artificial intelligence model into a real-world environment so that people can actually use it. In simple words, deployment is when a trained artificial intelligence model moves from the development stage to the real world. The model is integrated into software, websites, mobile applications, or other systems where it can perform useful tasks and solve real-life problems. For example, a face recognition system used to unlock a smartphone, a language translation app, or a recommendation system on a shopping website are all examples of deployed artificial intelligence models. The main goal of deployment is to make the artificial intelligence solution accessible, useful, and effective for users. So, deployment is the stage where artificial intelligence starts creating real value by helping people solve everyday problems. Examples of successfully deployed AI projects. Now that we understand what deployment is, let us look at some real-world examples of successfully deployed artificial intelligence projects. In the field of self-driving cars, systems such as Tesla Autopilot and Waymo use artificial intelligence to assist with navigation, lane detection, and safe driving. In healthcare, artificial intelligence is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. Solutions such as IBM Watson Health and PathAI analyze medical data and support medical professionals in making informed decisions. You may also be familiar with chatbots like ChatGPT. These systems interact with users, answer questions, and provide assistance in a natural and conversational way. In the retail industry, online shopping platforms use artificial intelligence recommendation systems to suggest products based on customer preferences and previous purchases. In agriculture, artificial intelligence helps farmers monitor crop health, analyze weather conditions, and improve farming practices for better productivity. The entertainment industry also uses artificial intelligence extensively. Platforms such as Netflix and Spotify recommend movies, shows, songs, and playlists based on users' interests and viewing or listening habits. These examples show how deployed artificial intelligence systems are already improving our daily lives across different industries and helping solve real world problems efficiently. Key steps in the deployment process. Once an artificial intelligence model has been developed, it must go through several important steps before it can be used effectively in the real world. The first step is validation and testing. In this stage, the model is checked to ensure that it produces accurate, reliable, and consistent results. This helps developers confirm that the model performs as expected in different situations. The second step is integration with existing systems. After successful testing, the model is connected to the software, applications, databases, or other systems where it will be used. This allows the artificial intelligence solution to work smoothly within the existing environment. The final step is monitoring and maintenance. Even after deployment, the model needs regular monitoring to ensure that it continues to perform well. Developers track its performance, identify any errors, make improvements, and update the model whenever necessary. These three steps, validation and testing, integration, and monitoring and maintenance, help ensure that an artificial intelligence model remains accurate, effective, and useful in solving real world problems. Deployment methods. Artificial intelligence models can be deployed in different ways depending on where and how they will be used. One common method is cloud deployment. In this approach, the artificial intelligence model is hosted on cloud platforms and can be accessed through the internet. This allows the model to serve many users efficiently and provides flexibility and scalability. Another method is desktop deployment. Here, the artificial intelligence model is integrated into desktop software applications. Features such as grammar checking, text prediction, and image enhancement often use this type of deployment. We also have mobile deployment, where artificial intelligence models run directly on smartphones and tablets. Popular applications such as virtual assistants, photo apps, and streaming platforms use mobile deployment to provide smart features to users. Next is web browser deployment. In this method, the artificial intelligence model works through a web browser, allowing users to access intelligent services without installing special software. Finally, there is embedded systems deployment. In this approach, artificial intelligence is built into smart devices such as smart televisions, smart speakers, fitness bands, and other Internet of Things devices. Each deployment method has its own advantages, and the choice depends on the needs of the users and the type of application being developed. Process of deployment. Let us now understand the process of deployment step by step. The first step is setting up the infrastructure. This means preparing the environment where the artificial intelligence model will run. It may include cloud platforms, servers, or other devices required for the model. The next step is integration with existing systems. The trained model is connected to applications, software, or databases so that it can work as part of the complete system. After integration comes testing. The deployed model is tested in real-world conditions to ensure that it works correctly and delivers accurate results. Once the model is live, monitoring and maintenance become important. Developers regularly observe the model's performance, identify any issues, and make improvements whenever needed. Another important step is scalability. As the number of users grows, the system should be able to handle increased workloads without affecting performance. Next is user acceptance testing, often called UAT. In this stage, users and stakeholders provide feedback to confirm that the solution meets their needs and expectations. Finally, there is evaluation. The deployed model is reviewed to determine how effectively it solves the intended problem and whether it achieves the desired goals. Together, these steps help ensure that an artificial intelligence model is reliable, efficient, and ready for successful real world use. Common challenges in deploying AI models. Deploying an artificial intelligence model in the real world is not always easy. Developers often face several challenges while making sure the model works effectively and reliably. One major challenge is data quality and availability. Artificial intelligence models require large amounts of accurate and reliable data. However, collecting high quality data can be difficult, especially when the data is limited, confidential, or constantly changing. Another challenge is model performance and accuracy. A model may perform very well during training but may not always give the same results in real world situations. Changes in data patterns or biases in the model can affect its accuracy. The third challenge is scalability and efficiency. As more users start using the artificial intelligence system, it must be able to handle increased workloads while maintaining smooth and fast performance. These challenges highlight the importance of careful planning, continuous monitoring, and regular improvements to ensure that deployed artificial intelligence systems remain accurate, efficient, and useful over time. Case study: Preventable blindness. Let us now look at a real world case study on preventable blindness. Diabetes is a growing health concern across the world, and India has one of the largest diabetic populations. One of the serious complications of diabetes is damage to the retina, the light sensitive layer at the back of the eye. This condition, known as diabetic retinopathy, can affect vision and, if left untreated, may even lead to blindness. The good news is that many cases of blindness caused by diabetic retinopathy can be prevented through early detection and timely treatment. However, screening a large number of patients regularly can be challenging because it requires trained eye specialists and significant medical resources. This is where artificial intelligence can help. By analyzing retinal images, artificial intelligence systems can identify early signs of eye disease quickly and accurately. This enables doctors to detect problems sooner and provide treatment before serious vision loss occurs. In the next section, we will explore how artificial intelligence can be used to address this problem and improve healthcare outcomes for millions of people. Case study: Preventable blindness. Let us continue with our case study on preventable blindness. One of the major causes of preventable blindness among people with diabetes is a condition called diabetic retinopathy. If this condition is not detected and treated at an early stage, it can lead to serious vision problems and even permanent blindness. Early diagnosis and timely treatment are very important to prevent damage to the eyes. However, there is a challenge. Many rural and semi-urban areas face a shortage of trained eye specialists. In addition, delays in examining retinal images and preparing medical reports can slow down treatment. One of the early symptoms of diabetic retinopathy is blurred vision. As shown in the image, a person with normal vision can see objects clearly, while a person experiencing blurred vision may find it difficult to see details accurately. Identifying such symptoms early can help doctors begin treatment sooner and reduce the risk of vision loss. In the next section, we will see how artificial intelligence can assist healthcare professionals in detecting diabetic retinopathy quickly and efficiently. How can we solve this problem with AI? Now that we understand the problem, let us see how artificial intelligence can help solve it. The solution is to use artificial intelligence for the early detection of diabetic retinopathy. A successful example comes from Arvind Eye Hospital in India, which worked in partnership with Google to develop an artificial intelligence based eye screening solution. This system analyzes retinal images and helps identify signs of diabetic retinopathy quickly and accurately. The artificial intelligence model has achieved an accuracy of about 98.6%, which is comparable to the performance of specialist eye doctors. As a result, patients can be screened faster, helping doctors detect eye diseases at an early stage and begin treatment sooner. The solution is already being used in 71 vision centers across rural Tamil Nadu, making quality eye care more accessible to people living in remote areas. This case study demonstrates how artificial intelligence can support healthcare professionals, improve medical services, and help prevent blindness through early diagnosis and timely intervention. How can we solve this problem with AI? Let us see how this artificial intelligence solution works in practice. First, trained technicians take photographs of a patient's retina using a special eye camera. These images are then uploaded to the artificial intelligence system for analysis. The artificial intelligence model examines the retinal images and checks for signs of diabetic retinopathy. Within a short time, it can identify whether the patient may be at risk and generate a report for further medical review. This process makes the detection of diabetic retinopathy much faster than traditional methods. An important advantage of this solution is that it can be used even in areas where specialist eye doctors are not readily available. Trained technicians can operate the system and help screen large numbers of patients. As a result, more patients can be diagnosed and treated at an early stage, reducing the chances of severe vision loss or blindness. This example shows how artificial intelligence can make healthcare services more accessible, efficient, and beneficial, especially for people living in rural and underserved communities. AI Project Cycle Mapping Template for Preventable Blindness. Let us now map the solution for preventable blindness to the stages of the artificial intelligence project cycle. The first stage is data acquisition. In this stage, retinal images are collected from patients visiting different clinics and hospitals. This data forms the foundation of the artificial intelligence system. The second stage is data exploration. Here, the collected data is examined, validated, and organized to ensure that it is accurate and suitable for building the model. Next comes modeling. During this stage, an artificial intelligence model is developed and trained to identify signs of diabetic retinopathy from retinal images. The fourth stage is evaluation. The model is tested using new images to check its accuracy and reliability. Based on the results, improvements are made to achieve the desired performance. Finally, we reach deployment. Once the model performs well, it is integrated into screening tools and made available in clinics, hospitals, and vision centers, including those located in remote and rural areas. This example clearly shows how each stage of the artificial intelligence project cycle works together to create a practical solution that helps detect eye diseases early and prevents avoidable blindness. AI Project Cycle Mapping Template. Before we conclude, let us understand the AI Project Cycle Mapping Template. This template helps us see how each stage of the artificial intelligence project cycle is connected to the next. The output of one stage becomes the input for the following stage, creating a smooth and structured workflow. In this example, the goal is to solve a business problem called customer churn, which means identifying customers who may stop using a company's services. The process begins with problem scoping, where the company clearly defines its objective, which is to reduce customer churn. Next is data acquisition, where customer information such as demographics, service usage, and account history is collected. In the data exploration stage, the collected data is analyzed to identify patterns, trends, and useful insights. After that comes modeling, where machine learning algorithms are selected and trained to predict which customers are likely to leave. The model then moves to the evaluation stage, where its performance is tested using different measures to ensure accurate predictions. Finally, in the deployment stage, the model is integrated into the company's system so it can help identify at-risk customers and support better decision-making. This example demonstrates how every stage of the artificial intelligence project cycle works together to transform a real-world problem into an effective artificial intelligence solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. You can download the complete notes from the link given in the description box. Also, join our Telegram channel for study materials and updates, and follow our Instagram page for more educational content. All the links are provided in the description box below. Keep learning and stay connected.